Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, overnight the price action for the Australian dollar has recovered quite significantly on the back of a weaker US dollar. Now the Australian dollar recovery has climbed almost 2% off the fresh 20-month lows that was recorded last week. With the upside target exceeded now at 73.1525, the market may now question whether the bears are willing to return to the challenge at present levels. Still, from the rally, we may see a sharp tug of war between the bulls and bears until the expected reversal emerges from the back to the real towards the region of 72.80 and lower towards the 72 to 71.75. Now at present, as you can see, the market is challenging this level around 73.45.80. I do expect to see the bears return, and also to note the 60-day moving average is above at 74.22 in the supply zone, and still the MACD hasn't confirmed this rally as of yet. I'm holding the view to a negative outlook, and this as an opportunity to shorten the market around this level of 73.45.80. Well, with the dollar plummeting overnight, it does give some concern that the fact that the break of 114.85 is sustainable or not. At this stage, we did get from the beginning the bullish hammer, and then for the last 5 trading days is that the bullish move has significantly been quite impressive. Now, what started this all was that Trump commented on the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell when he said overnight that he would favor a cheaper money and not have such a heavy hand when it comes to interest rates, according to news sources. This week we do have Chairman Jerome Powell speaking at the conference in Jackson Hole in Wyoming this coming Friday. But first of all, the market will be looking at this week on the minutes that will be released on Wednesday from the Federal Reserve's meeting in August. The market will be looking for clues to the Fed's outlook on inflation, the economy and trade wars. So at present, it really depends on the close tomorrow morning in New York. If we do see a close above 114.85, this could give further concerns that the US dollar is weakening and may see the euro contest higher towards the region of 115.65 to 116.35.55. But let's first of all see where the market closes tomorrow morning. Well, the dollar yen took out the 110.10 support and now exposes a region of 108.75. It is assessed that further weakness will come into today as the weaker US dollar continues. But towards the 108.75, I do expect to see a rebound. With the pound breaking above 128, now looks towards the resistance of a sell zone of 128.55.80. I'm not bullish at these levels. In the UK government, the market's still wondering if there will be a deal or no deal to Brexit, as the first round of notices are released this Thursday. So I do expect to see the pound reverse from current levels and look back towards the region of 126.60. Well, the bulls have continued to push for gold and now looks towards 1,196. Overall, I am still expecting to see this level contested and reassess from there. Support on the day is seen at 1,188 to 1,180 to 82. And rounding off with oil, not the most bullish pattern I've seen, and at this day still locked from a cap of 66.5. That was the level around $66 a barrel. Overall, I do expect to see the market weaken and look towards the region of its objective at $62 a barrel. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.